Hello, I've been TV3 here for you guys with the unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. This is to complement my MacBook Pro. I recently got the elevator stand. I don't want to constantly be typing on it when it's on the stand, so figured this will make it easier for me. It works with Bluetooth. I always wondered how does I look cool, but I only got the full-size one because I don't have Bluetooth on my computer, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's go on with the unboxing. As I said, this is the Apple wireless keyboard. I don't know where to start. Oh, here you go. Let's get this plastic off. Flip her over. And let's look at that. We're presented right with the keyboard. There's the keyboard. As you can see, my wired keyboard right here. Here's the wireless one. Let's put this to the side. So we got the book. I believe we got batteries in here somewhere. Looks like I got chipped out of batteries. Unless they're already in the keyboard. That I do not know. So, take the plastic off. I definitely like the way this thing looks. Definitely will look good under here. Oh, the battery's already loaded. What do you know? That's a nice little surprise from Apple. Or, yeah, Apple. Or Amazon, whoever took the initiative to do that. Okay, I can get this thing back on. So, this is Ivan TV3. Thank you for watching. Out.